Question number 6, they have given the vertices of the four corners of a quadrilateral. Now they are asking us to find what type of quadrilateral will be formed. So we are going to find the measurement of all the four sides using the distance formula, and then we are going to find out what type of quadrilateral is formed. The first subdivision, the given vertices are, coordinates of the vertices are -1 comma -2, 1 comma 0, -1 comma 2 and -3 comma 0. First we will find the distance between all these four sides. So we are going to find the formula is, distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Using this formula we are going to find the distance between any two vertices. So we will do one by one. First we will start with AB. AB is equal to square root of, this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So we are going to have 1 minus of minus 1 will become plus 1 whole square plus x2 minus x1. So we will have 0 minus of minus 2 will become plus 2. So we are going to have 1 plus 1 the whole square. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 squared will be 4 plus 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 squared will be 4. This can be written as root 8, which is nothing but 4 into 2, that is 2 root 2 units. Okay. Now next we are going to find the distance BC. Distance BC is going to be, when you take BC, this is your x1 comma y1, this is your x2 comma y2. So we are going to have minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 0 the whole square. That is going to be minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 the whole square is going to be 4. Then 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 squared is 4. So we are going to have 4 plus 4, which is nothing but root 8, that is nothing but 2 root 2 units. Now the third side is going to be CD. This is going to be your x1 comma y1, this is going to be your x2 comma y2. So we are going to have minus 3, minus of minus 1 will be plus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 2 the whole square. So we are going to have minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 the whole square is 4 plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 the whole square is 4. So that is going to be root 8, which is 2 root 2 units. Now finally we are going to find the fourth side, that is DA. This is your x1 comma y1, this is your x2 comma y2. So we are going to have minus 1, minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 the whole square plus, then this is your y2, that is minus 2 minus 0 the whole square. Now this is going to be minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 2 squared is 4. Here minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2, minus 2 squared is 4. So we are having 4 plus 4, that is root 8, which is 2 root 2 units. Now you can see that all the four sides are equal. You can see that AB is equal to, BC is equal to, CD is equal to DA. That implies ABCD is a rhombus. Now we are going to find the diagonal lengths and we are going to check whether the diagonal measurements are also equal. So we will first find diagonal AC. AC is going to be root of, when you take A and C, this is your x1 comma y1, this is your x2 comma y2. So we will have minus 1, minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2, that will become 2 plus 2 the whole square. Minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So need not write that. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we are going to have 4 square, that is going to be 4 units. Because square and square root will get cancelled, we will have 4 units. Then we are going to find BD. Diagonal BD, this is going to be your x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So minus 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, that is going to be minus 4 the whole square. Minus 4 the whole square is root of 16, because minus 4 into minus 4 is root 16, which is nothing but 4 units. Now we can see that the diagonal measurements are also equal. So what we can say is all the sides are equal, diagonals are also equal. So when all the sides are equal, it is a rhombus. In a rhombus, if the diagonal measurements are equal, then it becomes a square, because property of square says that in a square the diagonals are also equal. So we have ABCD is a square. So the type of quadrilateral formed using the given vertices is a square.